The Toyota Land Cruiser body is submerged in an electro-deposition bath for corrosion protection. This coating ensures long-term durability. The coated body is carefully lifted and excess material is drained. A uniform anti-corrosion layer forms across the entire surface. The body is cured in a high-temperature oven to solidify the coating. This process bonds the protective layer permanently to the metal.
After curing, the coated surface becomes tough and resistant. Each Toyota Land Cruiser body is inspected before painting begins.
A primer coat is applied to improve paint adhesion. It also enhances corrosion resistance and surface smoothness.
The primer layer is dried under controlled heat conditions. This ensures a stable base for the color paint.
Multiple layers are added to enhance depth and richness. The finish becomes more vibrant and visually appealing. The base color coat is applied with precision robotic systems. This gives the Toyota Land Cruiser its signature appearance.
A transparent clear coat is applied for protection and shine. It protects the paint from scratches and UV damage.
The final curing process hardens all paint layers. The Toyota Land Cruiser body emerges with a flawless finish.
After curing, the painted surface is cooled and inspected. Attention now shifts to engine manufacturing.
Engine production begins with molten aluminum casting. The metal forms the core engine block structure. The cast engine block is removed and begins cooling. Initial shaping is complete, but precision machining follows.
CNC machines refine the engine block with extreme precision. Cylinder bores are shaped for perfect piston movement. The crankshaft is installed to convert motion into rotation. It forms the heart of the engine's movement. Pistons are carefully inserted into each cylinder. They connect directly to the crankshaft. The cylinder head seals the combustion chamber. Precision torque ensures perfect sealing. The valve system controls air and fuel flow. Each component is precisely synchronized. The engine is sealed with its protective cover. It is now ready for performance testing. The engine is tested under controller conditions. Only fully functional units proceed to final assembly.
Transmission gears are machined from high-strength steel. Precision cutting ensures smooth power transfer. Gear surfaces are polished for efficiency. This reduces wear and improves performance.
Gear sets are arranged with precise alignment. Each gear plays a critical role in speed control. The gear assembly is fitted into the transmission casing. Bearings ensure smooth rotation under load. The transmission housing is sealed with precision torque. This ensures durability and leak prevention. The transmission housing is sealed with precision torque. This ensures durability and leak prevention. Each transmission is tested under simulated conditions. Performance and reliability are verified. The driveshaft is balanced for smooth rotation. This prevents vibration during driving. The differential distributes power between wheels. It ensures smooth turning and traction. The differential is connected to the axle system. This completes the rear drivetrain assembly. The entire drivetrain is aligned with precision. This ensures efficient power delivery to the wheels. Front suspension control arms are mounted onto the chassis. They form the foundation for wheel movement and stability. Each joint is secured with precise torque settings. This ensures durability under extreme conditions. Shock absorbers are installed to manage impact forces. They provide comfort and stability on rough terrain. Coil springs are added to support vehicle weight. They absorb shocks from uneven surfaces. The brake disc is mounted onto the hub. It provides the surface for braking force. The brake caliper applies pressure to stop the vehicle. It ensures safe and controlled braking. The tire is mounted onto the alloy wheel. This completes the wheel assembly. The tire is mounted onto the alloy wheel. This completes the wheel assembly. Each wheel is balanced for smooth rotation. This prevents vibration at high speeds. The wheels are installed, completing the rolling chassis. The Toyota Land Cruiser is now ready for interior assembly. The vehicle's nervous system is carefully deployed. Full-length wiring harness is uncoiled from front firewall to rear cargo area.
Control logic is embedded. ECU mounted inside sealed compartment. Multi-pin connectors locked with secondary clips. CAN bus network initialized. This unit governs fuel mapping, timing, diagnostics.
The system energizes. Battery secured with vibration clamp. Terminals connected, positive to negative. Initial system wake-up check performed. A faint click. Electronics breathe. The cockpit structure is locked in. Reinforced dashboard beam installed. Mount points for airbags, steering, infotainment aligned. HVAC duct channels pre-integrated. Built for harsh climates. High-capacity blower motor installed. Evaporator and heater core connected. Multi-zone airflow ducts routed. Strong cooling for Middle East and Pakistan heat conditions.
Cluster installed and wired. Startup animation test. Warning lights cycle through.
Technology meets durability. Touchscreen infotainment unit installed. Reverse camera, audio and navigation wiring connected. Center console assembled. Or, safety systems armed. Driver and passenger airbags installed. Impact sensors mounted. Airbag ECU connected. Or, each door becomes a system. Power window motors installed. Door lock actuators connected. Speakers integrated. Or, human connection point. Front seats mounted and torqued. Adjustment systems tested. Rear seats installed with folding function. Scene 72. Lighting system. LED headlights and taillights installed. Beam alignment calibrated. Full system scan. Performance logs checked. Scene 85. Limbs detailing to cleaning. Exterior polished. Interior.